So the other day after we got this thing all cambered out, looking really, really good, I decided to change some stuff on the wrap. So the whole back of the trunk, this panel here and the side panels there, all used to be black. I ended up pulling the black off the sides. So I think that looks really good. A little less black, just something different. And then on the front as well, I used to have this section down here wrapped like fake carbon fiber. And I really like that. I think that added a lot to the front end. I didn't really like the black before. I also have all the stuff for Week Fest: posters, Boston shirts, air fresheners, and where are these stickers at? Evo stickers and FRS die cuts as well. So if you're at Week Fest and you want any merch, hit me up. I don't know if I ever showed you this before, like side-by-side comparison of these cars. Like how much smaller the FRS is versus the Evo. That's insane. Camera gang, good morning.
Good morning. Holy crap. Okay.
What do you think?
I like it.
Do you like the less black on the rear? Different?
It looks good, yeah.
There's a lot of cambers.
Yeah, it is. I just don't know if this is safe. You're the Fitment god.
What?
The Fitment god.
Alright guys, I know that was a super long intro, but good morning and welcome to the vlog. Today we are headed to Seattle for Week Fest. It's currently Friday. The show's on Sunday. We're gonna hit the gym and then go see my brother. He's in the hospital. I'll explain that in a little bit when I feel like talking about it. And then we're gonna be off to Seattle. Okay, so we made it to, it's called the Gorge. Not really fire going on, but I noticed I hit a bump earlier, right? And my screw popped out of this right here. So you guys are gonna laugh at what I'm about to do. Clean up the vinyl a little bit. Check this out. Frick yes. So we finally made it to Seattle, or I guess Bellevue. We're in Bellevue right now. We literally just sat an hour.
Like 30 minutes.
It was like 2 hours.
No, it was 30 minutes.
Maybe 4 hours in traffic, just so Bobby could
get my Chick-fil-A. You don't see that.
How come no one goes inside?
Because they're all lazy and want to go through the drive-thru.
Yeah. Goodbye. Good morning, guys. It is now the next day, and I've been trying to figure out what's going on with my car. Every time I turn the wheels, it's ripping this panel off right here. I had that sticker on. When I got to Brandon's house, I grabbed a screw from him and put it in there. I went and drove it and it popped the panel back out. And what's happening is the wheel's hitting this little panel thing I built right, or this inner fender thing I built right here. So I need to figure out how to get that cut off, and then I get the screw back in there. Fuck, I need a screwdriver again. Ugh. Yeah, this has been a shit show of a morning, and last night was a shit show. All right, so Brandon came through. He brought some tools over, a screwdriver and a knife. I was able to cut that little inner fender panel I made, and it should be good to go now. Got all the glue off from that gnarly sticker. That shit is so sticky, and we should be good to go now. Today should be a pretty dope day. We're just gonna chill out, do car things, and hang out with just awesome friends. Tomorrow's Week Fest, so today's kind of just like a chill day. Yeah, I figured I would take a little moment out of this video and kind of explain. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been like out of it in the last week. And I was telling you guys earlier in the video yesterday when I was going to the hospital to see my brother Cameron. He was, about a week ago, he was diagnosed with leukemia cancer. So it's been like a really rough week for myself and my whole family, and especially Cameron as well. I'm sure you guys know who Cameron is. He's been on the channel before. He's got a huge following on YouTube, like 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So yeah, it's just been a really rough week. So I'm sorry if the vlogs have not been like super upbeat, super entertaining, and my energy's been down a little bit. That's the reason why. I'm sure you guys could understand that. I figured I'd just let you guys in. I'm sure a lot of Cameron's subscribers are subscribed to me as well. I don't think he's made a video regarding it yet. I think he's planning on making a video regarding cancer and pretty much what he's going through. But right now, he's trying to just get through it. He's got chemo for like a week straight every day. And then he's got to come over to Seattle to get a bone marrow transplant. So yeah, it's just been a super rough week. I apologize if the vlogs have not been, like I already said, I apologize if the vlogs have not been super upbeat, super high energy. That is the reason. But today should be a good day. I'm with good friends. I'm with my girlfriend here. Brandon's a super good friend, and we're gonna meet up with other guys. Just have a good time. So sit back and enjoy this video. What's up, G? You need help? Huh? You need help? Sure.
All right, vlog. What are we doing? I don't even know what we're doing. We just got done eating Chick-fil-A because Mama, aka Bobby, was starving. And now I think we're driving
commotion and going through those freaking levels, we made it to the top of this beautiful garage, and I directed Bobby in right in front of that tall ass building. So this shot is gonna be absolutely insane. Let's take some photos. If you want to see these, follow me on Instagram at Devin Niemela. Might as well follow Bobby as well at
Bobby_Wallace.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, bro. All right, so we were just shooting downtown. There's, oh my gosh, one of the best locations I've ever got of this car. And now I think we're headed, wait, we had two different shoots. One rooftop that you guys saw, and then we went down to like an alleyway, which is absolutely insane. And then now we're going to a pier. I hope you guys can hear me fine. There's no mic on there right now, but yeah, we're going to the pier right now to get some more dope shots. So yeah, this has been a very good day of shooting. We started like at 3 and it's 7 o'clock now. So we've gotten a lot of shots.
A lot of content.
Damn good time. We're out here at another dope location with a lot of trains and shit.
I already showed them all this.
With Brandon and Zach and my buddy Jordan Mishka, 3 Cities BRT is going to join us. Such a sick day.
Put your hands down when you're talking.
Where's my candy?
You didn't ask for one.
Can I have that one?
No!
Okay, you guys probably want to shut the video off right now. This is going to be cringy.
I told you it was gonna be cringy.
So good.
You got a little juice on your elbow.
Okay. That's it.
What? No, I need your camera when you're done.
This is the current location we're working with. Pretty dope. Damn, my car's hella dirty now. Back up! Okay.
That's good, it's like usual.
Alright, so we made it back to where we had a meet at last weekend. And
I love when I get up on my head.
Look at the camera peeking through. We're gonna shoot this real quick. I know it looks really weird on my video camera, but when I put my photo lens on, it's gonna look absolutely dope.
Why do you walk around so much? Can't you just stay in one place?
I always walk. You guys seen a camber?
Oh shit, I didn't even notice.
You dig?
Boy!
Boy!
What?
You
That's
like?
so sick.
I like it a lot.
That's so sick.
So I'm gonna take some photos.
That was a train.
Oh, I thought someone was there now. I'm gonna put the vlog lens away, put on the photo lens. If you wanna see these, follow me on Instagram at Devin Niemela. Let's end the vlog. Here, we gotta end the vlog with the sun just beaming in our face. We're gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna pick back another vlog.
You're so cute.
I can't even freaking talk. I'm gonna record another video tomorrow because tomorrow's gonna be Week Fest, and then it'll be whatever.
You're cute and you talk good, so
I'm gonna finish this video here though. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button right up there.
You're choking me.
And I'll see you in tomorrow's video.